Good morning, I'm Deb Watson. Here's my outline. You can download this at watsonwatercolor.com and trace it onto your watercolor paper. We'll start with the sky. You can paint straight lines easily by putting down masking tape first. The tape goes on the outside of the lines. Mix a puddle of concentrated blue color. You want a rich blue spring sky, not a wimpy one. Your sky will be smoother if you wet the area first with clean water. Then paint on the blue. You can take the tape off only around the sky if you want to check and see if it worked. Next, mix a puddle of green. If you have blue left over, mix it with yellow or use a tube green. Paint the green tulip leaves and around the flowers. Paint some of the leaves a light green and some of them darker green for variety. For the tulip stems, you can paint those green also, or you can add some red to your green to tone the green down. It's up to you. For the area around the pansies, I'm making mine dark purple so that the pansies will stand out. If you paint this area green, give it another coat of paint to make sure it's a nice dark value. The pansies gave a lot of students problems. If you're unsure where the colors go, just paint the 3 very dark areas in the center of each flower first. Then leave an area of white and paint the outside of the petals with a lighter purple. Last, we'll paint the tulips. My tulips are yellow with orange areas for interest. Tulips come in many different colors, so pick your favorite. These tulips work well no matter what color you make them. For the other flowers on the bottom, you want the 2 on the left white with yellow centers. The 2 on the right could be white, yellow, or they could match your tulip color. Add a few stems in the bottom right and you're finished. If your pansies or white flowers lost the white, don't worry. You can use opaque white to touch them up. Here are some great student paintings from class. You can get the entire lesson with more painting tips at WatsonWatercolor.com. Anyone can learn to paint. Happy painting!